Today, guys, I have my newest Stitch Fix box and I can't wait to share it with you guys. I've already looked at the preview and I picked 4 out of the 5 items from the preview. And I think all of the items that I picked from the preview were actually on my saved list as well. So she did really good about picking some of the things that I had stated that I liked. So I would actually have picked almost all of the 10 things that I previewed because they were all so good, but I did want a little bit of a surprise. So I only picked 4 and then let her pick a surprise that I don't know about in the box yet. So I do know 4 of the 5 things that you'll be seeing today. So let's go ahead and open this box together. So if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a clothing subscription service. You can pick how often that you want to receive boxes, but there is a referral link that I'll put in the description box. If you do want to start the service with Stitch Fix and you want to receive your first box, it will give you $25 off your first box. It also gives me $25 off toward my next box. And then you also have 3 days to try everything on, see what you like. They include a pre-printed label and a package for you to send anything back that you don't want. Anything you decide to keep, that $20 styling fee will go toward that. And then you get 25% off if you decide to keep all 5 things. So here's the box. And the first thing you're gonna see is that package that is pre-printed to send anything back that you don't want. And then you're also gonna see this that has the styling cards and then the prices and then a note from your stylist. I'll put that to the side. And let's just see what's inside this bundle. Now this box was a little bit heavier, so it looks like there's a lot of great fall colors in here. So I'm really excited to open this up and share with you what we've got and try it all on. So it looks like the first thing is this really pretty top. It's from Les Saran. Now I have not received this brand before. It is the flutter sleeve knit top in medium. It feels like it has that knit material, so it's going to be more casual, but it does have this sheer sleeve. And then next is from Skies Are Blue, and this is the textured modal open front blazer in olive, size medium. So I love the feel of this. And then I love this green color for fall. And then next is something red. It is from Eden Society, and it is the Lacia cargo jacket in red, size medium. So I like this. I had picked up another one of the Eden Society jackets when it was on a clearance, and I really like the style of this one. So I think I'm gonna love this one, and I love this red color. Then next up is from Mocha, the Mia utility jacket in olive. This feels like it has a faux suede, and then look at this. This is really neat. It has a utility style with some cinching here. Really nice and soft feeling. And then the last thing looks like some denim, and it is from Just USA. The Belize mid-rise bootcut jean in indigo, size 8. So let's see how all of this is going to fit. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm already loving this. These jeans are the Just USA jeans, and they have a lot of stretch. I like how these feel. They have stretch in the waist. They also have stretch in the legs. These are a boot cut style, and I love the darker wash because it makes them a little bit dressier, so you can put a nice dressy top on with these. And I actually like them that they're boot cut, so I can wear them with boots if I want to, but they're actually a good length that I can actually wear them with flats if I want to wear them with flats too. So I love the versatility of these. This top is the La Saran. I don't even know if I'm saying that right or not. I'm not familiar with the brand, but I like this. It's nice. It has a lot of stretch to it. Now it's more of a knit fabric, but then it's got this really cute flutter detail, and you can see it's got a little bit of sheerness to it. So this could be a little bit dressier if you wanted it to be. And then what I like is it has this extra panel right here, so you don't have to worry about your bra showing or anything. So this is nice. I mean, it's a black top, but I think it's a good black top. So what I had done was these jeans were in the preview and I had accepted them. And then the 3 jackets, the layering pieces, were also the ones that I accepted. The black top is the new item that she had put in there since the preview. And then next I'll try on all of the jackets with this just to see how they look. So the jeans are the Just USA Belize mid-rise bootcut jean in indigo, $68. And then the top is that brand, I don't know if I'm saying it right or not, flutter sleeve knit top in black, $38. So that's not bad for this top either. And these seem like a really good pair of jeans. So if I decide to keep everything, then that 25% discount is going to sound a lot better for these things. I am someone that loves the layering pieces, so I'm always buying jackets and blazers. And this one is so good, you guys. So this one has a faux suede feel. It's got these little top pockets, and then you've got this drawstring here where you can cinch it and make it look a little bit more defined. It's got a zipper. And then you also have the buttons where you could make it to where you can't see the zipper. I like that, you guys. And then you can draw this drawstring up. and then make it a little bit more defined at the waist. So I like this, you guys. So far, 3 for 3. So this is the Mia utility jacket, $85. So it is a little bit pricey, but it's that faux suede feel. It feels really nice. And you can see, well, you probably can't see very good on the video, but these buttons look like really good quality buttons. And the zipper is a nice zipper pull, and it's that nice chunky zipper. So this is good. I like the color. I think this is a great fall color. I like this one. I love the red. I just like this pop of color. So you can put it with that black and the dark, and it just really brightens up this look. Again, I love this one too, you guys. So the sleeves are a little bit long, but I think I can roll those up too, and they won't look so bunched on the sleeves. So yeah, that looks a little bit better on this sleeve than this one. You've got your zipper and the button on this one too, and it's got that drawstring. So I like this. What do you think, guys? And it's got these side pockets that has this little flap, but I realized when I put it on, I can just poke that flap in there and then just use these side pockets and not have that flap in the way. So this is the one from Eden Society, the Lacia cargo jacket, $78 for this one. And then here's the last jacket. This is just a drape front. So I do like how it has that little drape and then it kind of comes out. So it makes it a little bit more fitted looking and flattering. It's got this ruching right here and it's kind of cuffed. So I like the length of this one. It's probably supposed to be 3/4 sleeve, but it's long sleeve for me. So I know this is similar in color to that other one, but I really like this. It has a different look. It's just that drapey look, more lightweight, not very heavy at all. So this is a great transitioning piece. And it's made out of modal, so it's really, that's why it feels so good. It almost has a slub knit look to it. See all those striations in that? So it gives a little bit of dimension. So this one is $78. So the total for all 5 items is $347. The discount of 25% off, if I kept it all, would take $86.75 off. And then you take away the styling fee without taxes, because I never add the taxes on here, it's $240.25. So for all 5 items, which is a great pair of jeans that are nice and stretchy and on trend, fit good, and a top and 3 layering pieces, it's not bad. $240. You can pay $240 for a couple of these jackets. So I don't know, you guys, what do you think? I think this is a 5 for 5 box. I like everything in it. So tell me what you guys think. I do have the 3 days to send it back. So this is fix number 58. And I did look at my styling card before I started the try on, and it was Jasmine. So she's the one that I had the last time too. So this will be the second box that she's done for me. The last box she did for me was a 5 for 5, and this box is a 5 for 5. So I think she's doing really good. And even in the notes, she referenced that she appreciated all the feedback that I gave, which I've been doing feedback forever. I always tell them exactly what I want. So she seems to be listening, and I'm really excited for this one. I have enough summer items, so I had asked for the fall transitioning, and this has really got me excited for my favorite season of the year. So tell me what you guys think, and if you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would also love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button, because I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.